So good evening guys, this is the data that I input based on the structure of my mob. So total cost is equals to units multiply by just a simple. Then lock lang natin to. Sabi ni Ma'am Ai equals multiply by simple. Pagkuha niyan. Control A. Control data. Insert. Para sa madali tayo na algorithms. Then, I will be doing the greater than 50. Ito na lang gagawin ko para mas maiba sa amin na. Plus A. Kaya red. 15 to 50 plus B. Yellow. Then less than 15 plus C. Yan na lang gawin. Then, dito mas madali ang conditional yung ganyan. So, let's shift din ang different formatting highlight cell greater than 50 means the right of fill of red. Yan na yung mga greater than 50 sa ating table. Then, simple conditional formatting highlight cell less than 15. It should be the green fill, which means green 2, 4, 7. Then control A, shifting highlight between 15 up 15 to 50. It should be yellow. 10 to 50. Yeah, just one number. Then right click. Clear contents. Then, using the filter, data, filter, should be kunwari region, ganyan lang, central, makuha natin yan, ang buong central. Then, if you are going to know, filter is east or and west, yan, ganyan lang, mabilis lang yung filter. Then, let's proceed to Paybot. Then, simply, just control A, control A, sorry, control A, then, insert pivot table, use existing, produce another worksheet na lang. Then yan, as you can see, pagka dyan ang cell niya yan, sa mga labas niya, hindi gagana yung mismo. Dito tayo sa pivot table na insert tayo. Then, kunwari, if I'm going to have a region, lagyan natin sa columns. Region. Oh shit. Region. Columns. item ay 0. Hindi mabuha. 10 item. Red cost. Units of red cost. Ang kagalingan lang kasi ng pivot table. Sa dami-dami ng data nyo na naka-input, mas madali mong makahanap yung data. Tulad yan, binder. So, sum of units ng binder is equals 424. Yung sum cost niya, unit cost is 9.93. Mas madali mo siyang makahanap dyan. It's all equal naman. Then, ang order date, lagyan natin sa filter. Hanapin natin yung benta. Yung hanapin natin yung naging benta January. Buong January. Lalabas dyan. Yung sa buong January. Binder, nakabenta ka lang sa central lang 96 units. Nakabenta ka lang sa isang pencil ng 95 units. Ganyan lang aganda. Pwede rin natin lagyan ng select all. All. Ganyan. Paano kung I'll try na hanapin yung maximum na benta from this one to this. Ay, nako. Yan. Yun, ang naging max 221 ang uno. Ang pinakamalaking benta. Yan lang kasimple po. Then, ilang using ng filter, conditional formatting, and pivot table. Simple. Thank you.